Hey folks, Vector Potential here, and here we have a Yale Wafer lock. This one comes to me from C Stu Do. I haven't picked wafer locks before. I've gotten a few opens on this one, and we'll see if we can get this one open on video for you guys. Oh, come on. What's my issue? Okay. There we go. Okay. And I think this was the last one. Come on. There it goes. Alright. So naturally on video it took a little longer than it does in practice, but this is really neat. That's cool. So that is the Yale Wafer padlock. Let's get this text right there. Made it in. Thank you all. You have a good time.